Hey guys!
Hey guys!
So we just finished our theater premiere, and it went so awesome and great. And one of our good friends gave us a kiss in the forehead, cheek. So that's awesome. And it went so well. And she's still in grey because and my hair is still fucking gross.
My hair's gross too.
We have so much hairspray
and hairspray
in our hair, and it's just horrible. It's just, ow, it feels like plastic. It's ew.
And I need to take my nose piercing out every time we do the show, so I don't have my spikes on it, and it hurts like a pain in the ass to put it back in. I'm literally crying because I'm such a...
She does. She actually cries.
I'm a crybaby!
Crybaby bitch. I didn't say that. I didn't say that
You
word.
need a silver kiss too.
Oh, and a grey kiss. I feel special. So, we have talked about making the vlog where we do our contract, and we're probably gonna do it tomorrow or something like that. Because tomorrow I have to go home, so I'm not with Black Lady M after the weekend. So we have to make a vlog tomorrow because yeah, I say it. Sing solo, come on.
Hey boy, I'm through. It's just because of you.
Yeah. So
Jeg bliver vasket. Jeg bliver vasket, fordi Mads han lå som inde.
we're making a vlog. Okay. This is the girl who makes our makeup.
It's a DB and she's
And she's
beautiful
so
and gorgeous.
cute. She makes the makeup and our hair, and she's a part of
I'm making the hair.
She's making the hair. She's making the makeup, and she's a part of the show. So she's great, and she's cute and beautiful, and we like her very much. And she spanked her ass like do it again, like no one else. So, but have a great evening, guys, and see you later. Bye bye.